Hello there and welcome to the 28th episode of the Daily Shed. Alright, today I'm going to be showing a 4-note per string major scale pattern. This is really great for stretching. It's a really big stretch, really nice way to get your fingers moving around, even if you have a big stretch. I've developed a pretty big stretch over the years. Even so, it still requires your fingers to move around quite a bit, and to try to keep it legato and smooth is a nice challenge. And it's also nice as you're getting into soloing and melody playing, just to kind of open things up a bit, get you out of a box if you're used to playing across the neck. So I'll do it in G, and it's simply 4 notes per string. So 4 notes, the first 4 notes in the major scale on the E string, next 4 on the A string. So 4 if you're playing pick style, like that. It's also a nice thing to do just as hammer-ons. It's actually possibly the fastest way to play a scale, and possibly not that cleanly, but you can really, if you really want to get up a scale quickly, it's sort of the easiest thing to do, and a nice challenge to do it clean also. And I'll take it all the way up 2 octaves, so you can do 4 notes in the E string, 4 notes in the A string, 4 notes in the D string, last 3 on the G string, like that. So and I recommend doing 1 finger per each fret. You can do sliding around, but just to help with the stretching and the challenge of it all, I would do 1 finger per fret. And then coming back down, start with, because there's only 3 notes at the end there to get to the root again. Start with 4 down, and then 4, whoops, 4, and that's the biggest stretch there because everything is 2 frets, ending up with 3. Okay, that you can do pull-offs for another nice challenge. Not easy to do at all, especially with those big stretches, but a really great way to stretch things out and to work on legato technique. So, hope this is useful. Let me know any questions or comments you may have. I think it's a great warm-up. As always, do it with the metronome and try to get things just as clean as you can. It's a good exercise for me, and it's always challenging. At this point, it's still a challenge for me to keep it really nice and clean. So, alright, hope this is useful to you. Thanks for watching.